Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple paper airplane. It will look like this. Okay, let's start. Okay, you start. So first you will do this. This is the basic step. Push it. Shit. Okay. Then you have to do this. You will do this. Look. You will. Okay. Then if you, this is a really important part, because if you don't do this right, your plane will don't fly. And then this is the nose. Put the nose like this. Oh shit. And then like this. Then you turn it around and you will make it like this. Then this is the end part, but it's really important because many of these people says that if you don't do this, if you don't have to do this because it will fly, but I have do it and my plane doesn't fly. I every time make a plane like this, but you can also make a plane like this, normal. And this is then your plane. Let's fly with it. That was the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, leave a comment or rate. This is my first video. No, not my first, but I just started with my YouTube account, and then. Please subscribe, leave a comment or rate. Bye!